In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your Shopify store, whether you've deactivated or paused it. This process will help you bring your store back to life and ready for business once more. Restoring your Shopify store is a straightforward process, and understanding what Shopify allows in this scenario can save you a lot of time and stress. First, let's talk about what Shopify allows and what restoring your store really means. If you've chosen to deactivate your store, it's reassuring to know that Shopify retains all your store's data for up to 2 years. This includes everything from products and customer information to your settings, ensuring nothing is lost during your store's downtime. Reactivating or reopening your store makes it live and accessible to your customers again. Similarly, if you just archived your store through the Shopify Partner Dashboard, you can easily unarchive it. Let's dive into the simple steps of how to reactivate your Shopify store. To begin, you'll need to log into Shopify. Make sure you're using the store owner's account, the email address that owns the store. Visit your store's specific Shopify login page, which typically looks like your store.myshopify.com/admin. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Plan or Billing section, which you can find in your Shopify admin panel under Settings. You might see this labeled in various ways depending on updates, such as Plan and Permissions or Subscription/Billing. If your store is currently deactivated or paused, you should see an option to reopen or reactivate the store. Next, you'll have to choose a plan and payment method. Reactivating usually requires selecting a paid plan again, so make sure to review the options available. You'll then provide or confirm a payment method, such as a credit or debit card, or whatever payment options Shopify accepts in your region. After you have selected your plan and input your payment method, save and confirm the reactivation. Once you do this, Shopify processes the reactivation, restoring your access, and your store will go live again. Finally, it's crucial to check everything thoroughly once your store is up and running. Ensure that your theme, products, and settings remain intact. Double-check that your domain is correctly pointing to your store. You'll also want to remove password protection if you want your store open to the public. Remember to reevaluate shipping settings and confirm your payment gateways are functional, to avoid any disruptions for your customers. That's it. Pretty simple, right? By following these steps, you can seamlessly transition your store back to full operation. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and good luck with your newly reactivated Shopify store.